Ladies and gentlemen, this beautiful hidden gem is located in Milton. This is situated on 33 acres and is only 5 minutes away from the 401. Enjoy the tour.
This home is renovated from top to bottom. It features a chef's kitchen and has scenic views throughout.
Entertainers, this estate is calling your name. It features a swimming pool, multiple patios, and total privacy.
Last but not least, this 30 by 65 barn is perfect for your toys. Thank you for watching the tour, and we look forward to seeing you soon.